Hi ABCabinetry, I'm Christi Franks and I just wanted to show you my kitchen remodel using your cabinets. I just wanted to thank you for such good quality cabinets. I was able to do my entire kitchen for under $7,000 as far as cabinetry goes. In fact, my granite countertops cost more than the cabinets. So I will just walk you through and also I'll send you some before pictures just so you have a reference of what it looked like before. But we took out this wall and took out all our old cabinets, obviously. We built this island and I did something a little different. I took some 30-inch cabinets and I turned them sideways. My goal one day is to get a built-in microwave, which I will do hopefully soon. But I turned these sideways to just get a little bit more countertop space. But what I love about your cabinets is the soft close features. I don't have to worry about kids slamming cabinets, which is really nice. I love the bright white and the shaker style. I obviously went with a contrasting color for the island. But again, very good quality cabinets. I love that they're solid wood. And you can see on this side, I also went with the side cabinet just to balance out the island. So I did this kitchen remodel entirely by myself. I had only hung cabinets once before, and that was in my laundry room, which you do have a picture of that posted on your website. I did notice, so thank you. So this was the second time I had ever hung cabinets. They were really easy to build and put together, and again, just very good quality. I feel like my kitchen upgrade has been one of my favorite things that I've done. All of my friends that come over are just amazed and think that it looks very high quality and professionally done. So something that your clients can know is that it's something that they can truly do themselves. So again, thank you. I am very happy with the quality and the ease of putting these cabinets together and hanging them. Thank you again.